Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast and how reliable is this fingerprint sensor. So let's make like 5 tries on the totally turned off screen and then on the lock screen, and we are going to check how it looks. So let's lock the device, and I just sync it with this finger. So let's put it here. 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it works really good. It's fast and it's reliable. And then let's try to make it from the lock screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. As you can see, that's how it works. It's definitely really fast and reliable. It works every time, so I can recommend you this way to protect your phone on the Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.